How to fix Event 4502 Windows Recovery Environment Servicing Failed Error in Windows. Folders marked with the $$ suggest that they are hidden and are generated during the installation process, existing for a temporary duration. The $WinRE agent folder is typically formed during an upgrade or update and serves as a backup in case a rollback is necessary. Go to the C drive of your Windows PC. Locate the $WinRE agent folder. Right-click on the file and select Delete. If that didn't work, right-click Command Prompt and click on Run as Administration. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. After entering all command, restart your computer and try again and your problem should be fixed. If that didn't work, System Restore is a feature in Microsoft Windows that allows users to revert their computer's state to a previous point in time. This can be helpful if you have made changes to your system that are causing problems.